Hello, welcome to the final question on the June 2017 paper 3 foundation. We've got a question here with this lovely shape, this sculpture. You've got a cylinder on the top, resting on top of a cuboid. Okay, we're going to work out, give some information about that, and in a minute we're working out the volumes of those shapes, and then they tell us the density of granite, and then we're going to use that to work out the mass. So 5 marks here, various steps to go through, so let's do them one at a time. So as I said, we're going to find the volume first, because that's what we're going to use to then find the mass later. So one shape at a time. Okay, so firstly we'll do the volume of the cuboid. So the cuboid, we're going to do the length times the width times the height. So that will be 90 times 90 times 150. And we'll do that on the calculator. Okay, so that gives us 1,215,000 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's that one. And now we're going to find the volume of the cylinder. So to find the volume of the cylinder, it's a prism with a circular cross-section. So we start by finding the area of that cross-section, the area of the circle. So we all know the song. So we all know that to find the area of a circle is pi r squared. Now be careful, so we've got this width at the bottom here of 90, so that would be the diameter of the circle, so we're going to halve that to get 45. So we'll find the area of the circle by doing pi times 45 squared, and then when we've done that we'll times it by 80, which is the height of the cylinder. And then I'll do that all on the calculator, so pi times 45 squared times by 80. And that gives us about 508,938 centimeter cubed, and I'm sure the nearest centimeter cube will do here. Okay, so we're going to find, now we need to find the total volume of the shape, so I'll add those two answers together. So I'll add my 1215000, add that to 508,938. So our total volume is 1,723,938 centimeter cubed. Okay, so we know the volume. So now we're going to use this density figure they've given us of 2.7 grams per centimeter cubed to work out the mass. All right, so if it's 2.7 grams for every centimeter cubed, we're going to do the 1,723,938 times 2.7. So I'm going to times that by 2.7, and we get this big number here, 4,654,632.6. Now, of course, that's a figure that is in grams. Our density was in grams per centimetre cubed, so that's in grams. But the answer space down here wants it in tons. Okay, so I think we'll do this in a couple of steps. So firstly, we'll change our grams into kilograms, and we'll round it off to the nearest whole one as we go. Okay, so 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so we'll divide our figure in grams by 1,000, okay, and that will turn it into kilograms, so that just moves the decimal point 3 places, so about 4,654.55 really, if we're going to round it off to the nearest whole one. So that's kilograms. Now we're going to turn that into tons, so again there are 1,000 kilograms in a ton, so divide that by 1,000 again, and our figure in tons will be therefore 4.655. And that will be our final answer for a full 5 marks. And that's the end of the paper.